احمد علی ویلکم.
ہاں ایڈم کیسے ہو؟
میں ٹھیک ہوں سر, آپ سنائیے.
خیریت سے ہو؟
سر ابھی تک تو خیریت سے ہو. آپ کے بھائی لوگ آتے ہیں یہاں پہ آ کے دھمکیاں دیتے ہیں قتل شتل کرنے کی. یہ اسلام کا مین جز ہے دھمکی دے کے قتل کرنا کسی کو.
پتہ نہیں کیوں دھمکی دیا. آپ بھی بہت غصے کرتے ہو نا ایڈم بھائی. تو
سر اگر میں آپ کو دھمکی دوں قتل کی تو آپ آگے سے غصہ بھی نہیں کرو گے, پیار کرو گے, مجھے کھانا کھلاؤ گے.
وہ ایسے ہی دیتے ہیں, وہ کیا کر سکے گا آپ کا, کیا کچھ بھی نہیں
کیا
بگاڑ
کر سکے گا. آپ کا اللہ مانتے ہو, اللہ کو
کیوں نہیں مانتے, سب مانتے ہیں.
ذرا اتحیات تو سنا دو یار.
اتحیت اللہ
ہوں.
تحیت اللہ والصلوات والطیبات والسلام علیکم ایھا النبی ورحمۃ اللہ وبرکاتہ.
ختم ہو گئی.
السلام علینا وعلی عباد اللہ. لیسن ابھی 1 منٹ شروع سے سناتا ہوں. اتحیت اللہ والصلوات والطیبات والسلام علیکم ایھا النبی ورحمۃ اللہ وبرکاتہ السلام علینا وعلی عباد اللہ الصالحین اشہد ان لا الہ الا اللہ واشہد ان محمدا عبدہ ورسولہ اللہم صل علی محمد. آگے سناؤ.
نہیں سر
درود
بس
شریف.
کافی ہو گیا سر, کافی ہو گیا سر, بڑی مہربانی سر.
1
جی سر
منٹ
کیا
ایڈم
کہیں گے
سیکر.
سر.
ایڈم
جی
سیکر
جی
میں تھوڑا ساحل کو بولنا چاہ رہا ہوں کہ وہ میری آئی ڈی چیک کرے. یہ جو آئی ڈی ہے ساحل نے بین کی ہوئی ہے, ٹھیک ہے, تو اس میں اگر
تو سر
کچھ بھی
کوئی بات نہیں سر, بین رہنے دیں سر, آگے
وہاں
چلیں.
پہ اندر. ہاں
بین رہنے دیں سر.
اچھا.
ابھی پتہ نہیں, ہو سکتا ہے آپ آج یہاں پہ بات کرتے کرتے آپ بھی یہاں پہ بین ہو جائیں, تو لہٰذا اتنا کشت نہ کریں آپ.
نہیں نہیں یار,
ٹھیک ہے,
ایسا
تو
نہیں
اتنا
ہوگا.
کشت نہیں کریں. جی سر کیا کہنا چاہتے
کیا
ہیں سر
بولنا
آج کے
چاہتے ہیں آپ,
ٹاپک پہ.
کیا بات کرنے آئے احمد علی صاحب؟
میں بات کرنے آیا تھا کہ ادھر وہ ما ملکت ایمانکم ساحل بار بار دکھاتا ہے ادھر. اوکے.
ہاں ما ملکت ایمانکم, جی کیا کہنا ہے اس پہ؟
اس میں کیا غلطی ہے ما ملکت ایمانکم؟ وہ جو ملک الیمین ہوتی ہے اس کا کیا میننگ ہے, کیا مقصد ہے؟ آپ تھوڑا بتا سکتے ہیں, پھر میں بتاتا ہوں آپ کو.
کام باری کرنے کا مقصد ہے اس کا.
مقصد کیا ہے ملک الیمین کی, کیا ڈیفینیشن ہے؟
کام باری کرنے کا, ما ملکت ایمانکم,
کام باری.
رائٹ ہینڈ پوزیس. ہاں
رائٹ ہینڈ وہ وائف ہوتی ہے نا, بغیر
کس
حق
نے
مہر.
بولا رائٹ ہینڈ؟ بھائی
بغیر
کون
حق
سے فرقے سے ہو؟
میں سنی ہوں.
بائی دا وے
سنی ہو؟
یہ بھی ایک ساحل صاحب آپ بات آپ بھی کریں, لیکن میں لوگوں کو بتاتے چلوں, دس از آلسو اے پیراڈاکس. یہ بھی ایک پیراڈاکس ہے کہ ملک الیمین جو ہیں وہ وائف ہوتی ہیں. یہ چند ایک اسلامک مسلمانوں کے ایک فرقہ ہے جو کہ ملک الیمین کو وائف بنانے کی کوشش کرتا ہے. یہ بھی ایک پیراڈاکس ہے. اور کیسے پیراڈاکس ہے اب آپ یہ سمجھیے گا, ساحل بھائی دکھائیں گے کہ یہ بھی ایک پیراڈاکس ہے. اور پیراڈاکس کا بیسک عنصر یہ ہوتا ہے کہ اٹ از این irrational illogical statement as well. پیراڈاکسیکل اسٹیٹمنٹ از کہ وہ irrational illogical ہوتی ہے کہ ایک عورت کو آپ سلیو کہہ کے وائف بھی کہہ رہے ہو, کہ سلیو جو ہوتی ہے وہ وائف ہوتی ہے. اگر سلیو وائف ہوتی ہے تو پھر وائف سلیو ہوتی ہے, تو سلیو وائف نہیں ہوتی تو وائف وائف نہیں ہوتی, کیونکہ وائف کے لیے ایک علیحدہ لفظ ہے قرآن کے اندر اور سلیو کے لیے ایک علیحدہ لفظ ہے قرآن کے اندر. اینڈ دیٹ از وائی دس ہول اسٹیٹمنٹ کہ سلیو جو ہوتی ہے وہ وائف ہوتی ہے, یہ ایک پیراڈاکس ہے. دس از آلسو اے پیراڈاکس بیکاز illogical irrational اسٹیٹمنٹ ہے. ساحل صاحب کنٹینیو کریں, آپ کی آیت میں سامنے لیں گے.
احمد بھائی یہ آیت آپ کے سامنے ہے 23:6, ذرا اس کا ورڈ بائی ورڈ بتا دے کیا کیا لکھا ہوا ہے.
الا علی ازواجہم او ما ملکت ایمانہم فانہم غیر
ہاں
الملومین.
جی مطلب بتا دے ایک ایک ورڈ کا.
اتنی عربی تو مجھے نہیں آتی ایکسپٹ فرام دیئر
اچھا
ویوز
چلو میں 2 ورڈ آپ سے پوچھتا ہوں,
رائٹ
ادھر ازواج اور ملکت ایمانکم ایمانہم, ما ملکت ایمانہم, یہ 2 کا مطلب بتا دے.
رائٹ ہینڈ وہی ہے نا جو مطلب جو
2
آپ کے
ورڈ میں نے پوچھا ہے آپ کو, ایک تو ازواج ہے,
ازواجہم, اور یہ تو ریئل وائف ہوتی ہے, ٹھیک ہے,
ریئل وائف ہوتی ہے. اچھا ایک ابھی وائف میں بھی الگ الگ کیٹیگری ہے, ایک ریئل وائف, ایک باہر والی وائف.
ساحل صاحب یہ ریئل وائف اور نان ریئل
ایک
وائف میں ڈفرنس پوچھ لے ذرا, کہ ریئل وائف
وہی
اور نان ریئل وائف میں کیا فرق ہوتا ہے.
ایک منٹ ساحل بھائی, اس کی ریئل ڈیفینیشن، یہ آیت کی ریئل ڈیفینیشن میں آپ کو بتا سکتا ہوں.
اچھا ساحل صاحب، ایک ڈیفینیشن ہوتی ہے اور ایک ریئل ڈیفینیشن ہوتی ہے. ایک وائف ہوتی ہے اور ایک فیک وائف ہوتی ہے.
ایڈم سیکر سنو تو صحیح، سنو صحیح. ایڈم
بتاؤ ریئل وائف کا مطلب کیا ہوتا ہے؟
پہ انگلش میں بات کر سکتے ہیں؟
وہ
نہیں سر،
انگریزی چلے جانا آپ،
انگریزی چینل ایڈم سیکر، وہاں پہ جوائن کرنا.
نہیں،
ابھی یہ ازواج ریئل وائف کا کیا مطلب ہے؟
جو کس کی
آپ نے کہا ازواج کا مطلب ہے ریئل وائف.
ایک تو وائف ہوتی ہے، ٹھیک ہے. دوسری ما ملکت ایمانکم، جو وہ وائف ہوتی ہے جو بغیر حق مہر کے اس کے ساتھ نکاح ہو جاتے ہیں، اس کو ملک الیمین کہتے ہیں. اس کو
مطلب وہ وائف نہیں رہتی ہے،
وہ بھی وائف ہوتی ہے،
کیسے
لیکن
وائف
وہ
ہوتی ہے؟
غریب والی
وائف کا تو ذکر اللہ نے کر دیا ازواج کر کے.
بھائی. یہ والا جو ہے یہ مطلب آپ لونڈیوں کو بھی بنا سکتے ہیں، لیکن نکاح کر کے بغیر حق مہر
تو
کے.
لونڈی کے ساتھ جب آپ نکاح کر لو گے تو وہ ازواج میں آ جائے گی نا، آپ کی وائف ہو جائے گی،
ہاں،
پھر لونڈی نہیں رہے گی.
تو اس کو ملک الیمین کہے گا نا، جو بغیر حق
کیسے
مہر
کہو
کا.
گے؟ اچھا چلو ایک میں آپ کو مثال دیتا ہوں، سمجھنا غور سے. آپ کے گھر میں ایک نوکرانی کام کرنے آتی ہے، ٹھیک ہے، آپ نے کسی نوکرانی کو رکھا، اوکے. اب آپ نے اس کے ساتھ نکاح کر لیا، آپ نے اس کے ساتھ شادی کر لی، اب کیا بنی وہ آپ کی؟
بہت ہی بغیرتی ہوئے گی، لیکن چلو ٹھیک ہے.
وہ اس کو ملک الیمین عربی میں کہتے ہیں، وہ جس کے ساتھ پھر شادی ہو جاتی ہے. وہ جو نوکرانی کے ساتھ شادی کرو گے آپ بغیر حق مہر کے، اس کو ملک الیمین کہتے ہیں.
مطلب وہ وائف نہیں بنی وہ آپ کی،
وائف ہو جاتی ہے لیکن ملک الیمین کہتے ہیں.
ریئل وائف نہیں ہے وہ آپ کی.
ریئل وائف ہے نا، بغیر حق مہر کی نکاح جب ہو جاتی ہے تو پھر
تو
ریئل
ریئل وائف تو
بن جاتی.
ازواج بن گئی نا بھائی.
تو میرے بھائی وہ جو ہے نا عربی میں اس کو ملک الیمین کہتے ہیں.
اچھا کدھر ہے یہ بتاؤ ذرا، وائف کو ملک الیمین کو وائف کہتے ہیں، یہ کون سی عربی ہے؟
یہ ڈیفینیشن یہ عربک میں ہے. ابھی آپ کو
کہاں ہے ڈیفینیشن
میرے
یہ؟
ساتھ کوئی ہے ایڈم سیکر، اگر آپ اجازت دے گا تو انگلش میں آپ کو ساحل بھائی
لے
یہ
لے
ڈیفینیشن تو بتا دو.
لے
کل
آؤ.
جو آپ کے ساتھ بات ہوئی تھی ایڈم سیکر وہی ہے، ٹھیک ہے. چلو کر یو کین اسپیک. اوکے،
ارے ڈیفینیشن بتائے گا بھائی.
ہاں
سلیب کو وائف
ڈیفینیشن بتا
کہتے ہیں.
رہی ہے، ڈیفینیشن بتا رہی ہے ساحل بھائی. آپ تھوڑا ٹرائی کرو ساحل بھائی بات کرنے کی.
یہ کون ہے بھائی تمہارے ساتھ؟
عالم کون ہے؟
اچھا she is the same woman. So یار you were supposed to give me
you kept under waiting for 3 hours and then you forgot.
No, I did not forget. You left. We were waiting for you
because
afterwards.
actually I was telling the truth, because that's why you didn't give me
Okay,
the
no,
time, and you bring
oh my
new
goodness. Why are you guys always state these things
No,
without
I'm
any
joking.
evidence?
No problem. I'm not here to discuss. Only I answer this question and then go, because I don't like to discuss with you. Forgive me, because you don't convince. When I tell you the truth, you say no,
I
no,
don't
no. This is
consent.
not.
Okay, so basically,
No, you don't admit
so what you are saying,
that you.
what you are telling me is that I have to accept your statement without any evidence, and then I am good. Otherwise, I am
No,
not
no, no,
good.
no. At the end, you said, actually, Ahad for me is wrong, and for you is not wrong. What is you? Who are you? Language
Okay.
is language.
No. It is
If
not.
it is not true, what is me? What is you?
Sister, the language is not yours. Number one, I told you, and you agreed with me that it is not yours. I asked you,
It is
can
not
you give
mine,
me
but
a lexicon? Can you give me a
I know it more
lexicon
than you.
of the 8th and the 9th century so that we would know that ahad means actually one? Did you give me one? No, you did not. So once, if you do not
No.
have a proof,
First of all, you said Ahad, and you translate it wrongly to
no,
people.
I
You
did
say
not. I showed you.
one of. It
Nah,
means
sister,
one of.
you are so wrong. You are lying with me. I showed you
Oh my
al-Ma'ani.
goodness.
I showed you al-Ma'ani on screen.
What
Why
is
are you
Al-Ma'ani?
lying?
First time, remember, you said it is here.
Did I,
Ahad, Qul huwa Allahu
sister,
ahad.
did
It
I
means
showed
one
you
of. I told
al-Ma'ani
you
on screen?
where is from? Where is men?
Did I showed you al-Ma'ani on screen? Yes or no?
No, you didn't show me. You show me lying. Who
Okay,
paid for
Lying.
you, and who give you money
wait.
to
Sahil,
cheat people?
You
let
have
me,
shown yesterday.
I have shown al-Ma'ani. Yaar, moderators, ساحل کے چینل پہ جب اس ایجپشن لیڈی کے ساتھ بات ہو رہی تھی آئی شوڈ المعانی کوئی مجھے ذرا جلدی سے لنک دے ود دا ٹائم اسٹمپ سو دیٹ آئی کوڈ شو ہر اینڈ پروو ہر دیٹ آئی شوڈ المعانی on yesterday's discussion because she is lying with me right
One
now.
day they will
Ji Egyptian.
discover everything. They will discover the haqiqa. You deceive them because they don't know Arabic.
Okay, I deceived them. Perfect. So
Of
while
course.
deceiving, I deceived it through al-Ma'ani. Yes or no?
What, brother? First of all, when you started, you say
Did
Ahad
did
means
I
one of.
show you
Totally, where
al-Ma'ani?
is off? There is no man. It was only Ahad. And then you say, okay, let's leave this and go to
Sister, what's your
another.
name? What's your name?
Summer.
Sorry?
Summer.
Summer?
Yes.
Summer.
You have
Okay.
objection?
Okay. No, I don't have objection. I was trying to comprehend your name because I just simply cannot call you sister now because you are a deceiver and you are a liar. So now I have to call you with your name.
You just
So
lie even
Summer,
to yourself.
Summer,
You lie to
did
yourself.
I show you al-Ma'ani yesterday? Yes or no?
Which معني? You say, first of all, you say
Okay.
Ahad means one off. I told
Do
you,
you
where is off here?
no, wait. Did I show you the dictionary called Al-Ma'ani, which is an Arabic dictionary which all and most of your Muslims rely on? Yes or no?
All what you show me was lying only.
Okay,
And I
perfect. Let me backstage you. Now I need to first show everyone that what I showed before I move forward with you, because I don't work with liars. I do not. Simple. I don't work with liars. This is impossible to continue a discussion unless I prove it to you now. ये जी, this is Al-Ma'ani. Al-Ma'ani जो है, it's an Arabic lisan dictionary. Al-Ma'ani जो कि अरबी की translations बताती है, and I showed it live. ये yesterday की discussion है. ये लड़की ही यहाँ पे अभी बैक स्टेज में है, तो सुन ले लड़की यहाँ पे है. Integral part of something expression, unveiled, anybody, anyone, somebody, file, make into one, unify, unite. Now this is unite and unify. So Allah is more than one, which were united into one. Perfect. I agree with you then. And then so on and so forth. This is Al-Ma'ani, which you guys actually refer to when it comes to Arabic, not me.
Wait,
Hanji. This is yesterday. Yeah, this is yesterday's stream. Did I show you Al-Ma'ani? Yes or no?
can speak. You
Yes, you
showed
can
me.
speak.
You showed me Maani for words. I told you 100 times. Please open your mind. Please.
Why the hell
100
are you
times.
lying then?
Listen
Why
to
the
me.
hell were you lying, Summer?
Give me. You just show Al Maani and you speak. Give me. I answer you. What is this? You
So
are bringing one
basically what
word.
you are telling
Each
me
word
is
changed
that
by
I have to,
four.
no. So I have to take your
Listen.
words and not what the dictionary is saying.
Okay, this is the word in the dictionary, right? This word can be changing the total meaning if it is followed by a preposition, if it is followed by another word. What is this? For example, I told you so many times this is in all the language. You can depend the word take only.
I am asking
Sometimes
you
take
a
out,
single
sometimes take
thing.
off.
Should I go with Al-Ma'ani or should I go with you?
What is Wallahi al-Azim, this is the stupidity. This is the stupidity and you're cheating people. What is you depend on
Allah
only
is not
one word?
Azim, Allah is Akbar basically. Why are you calling Allah Azim? You call Allah Akbar, Allah is the bigger, not Azim.
No, he is Azim. Force
No,
me.
where is he
Even
Azim?
you want
He is
or
Allah
you don't
Akbar.
want.
So why do you chant Allah Akbar?
Even
Why
Akbar
don't you
means
chant Allah
Azam.
Azim?
Even Akbar means Azam, but you don't
Akbar
understand
means
because
Azam. So now imagine,
yeah,
guys, listen to
it
me
can
very
be
carefully.
bigger, it can
Akbar
be
means
Azam.
Azam, Azam means Akbar. Like this is amazing. So
Of course.
Jodha Akbar means Jodha Azim, but Allah Akbar. So Jodha Akbar means Jodha Azim, right?
What is your problem? Everybody can call himself Akbar, but she is calling herself. Nobody call her. What is this stupidity?
This is what I'm showing you. You guys have closed your brain. You're a half
Akbar,
brain according to Muhammad, and
Akbar,
you
in
will be
the
burning in
language.
hell
Maybe
because Muhammad saw
maybe
most of the women in hell. This is the problem with you women defending KFC while you are chicken. The problem is you everyone can call themselves Akbar. When Allah called himself Akbar, then Allah is Azim. This is the same
can I
dilemma.
ask you
This is the
why you don't
paradox. This is
give me
another
chance to
paradox of
answer
Islam.
Malakat Aymanukum? You scared?
No, I'm not scared.
Already I
Wait.
beated you
let
yesterday.
me let me go backstage you first, then let me finish my statement and then we'll go to Malkal Yameen. This is another paradox. What is the paradox here? The paradox is when Ahad is used with Allah, then it is one. When Ahad is not used with Allah, then it is one of someone. When Akbar is used with Allah, then Akbar means Azim. When Akbar is used with human beings, then Akbar means Akbar. Okay, sorry, I'm just not translating. When Akbar is used with Allah, then it means Allah is the greatest. But when Akbar is used with human beings, then it means the human being is bigger. See, this is the translation. This is the translation. Okay, let's talk about Malk al-Yamin now. Don't talk about this thing now. Talk about Malk al-Yamin directly. I'm waiting. Talk about Malk al-Yamin.
Yes, give me, put the ayah.
There you go. It's right here. It's right in front of you.
You want I read?
Yeah.
Okay. إلا على أزواجهم أو ما ملكت أيمانهم فهنهم غير ملومين.
Okay. So azwaj. What does azwajihim means?
Tell me the mistake. Don't ask me about meaning and
No.
grammar.
We are talking about Malk al-Yamins right now, not mistakes. Separate. That is a separate discussion right now. First,
The
finish Malk
person
al-Yamin.
told us that Malk al-Yamin is wife.
Of
You
course.
So
agree
what
with
does
me or you disagree
what does
with me?
azwaj means?
Azwaj means wife, but
And what does Malk al-Yamin means?
wife, but without mahr and
Wife.
sadaq.
Okay. So if it
But
is
your
wife, then why Allah is separating them?
He say if you cannot have a wife with mahr and sadaq, if you don't able, then go to
Is she
make
a wife?
What?
If you have a wife without mahar, will she be your wife?
Listen. He say إلا على أزواجهم يعني if you are able to have wife, you give her
No, it doesn't say able to have wife. Hey, why are you lying?
Yeah.
Why are you lying? The verse goes back. وَالَّذِينَ هُمْ لِفُرُوجِهِمْ حَافِظُونَ. And protect your private part. Illa, except Allah azwajihim, from your wives. أَوْ مَا مَلَكَتْ إِيمَانُهُمْ. And of your right hand possess. فَهُمْ غَيْرُ مَعْلُومِينَ.
Wait, you say and they are liar. The word here أو يعني or, not
Or.
and. Or. Huh? Not
Okay.
and. Yalla, try
Okay.
to cheat people. I will catch you, I swear.
Oh, don't worry. Catch me. Don't swear. Because swearing is of Allah and Allah swear by everything. Allah swear by the mountain. So Allah swear will finish when the mountains finish. Allah swear by the tree and Allah swear will finish when the trees are not there. Anyhow, that's a separate thing. Keep on swearing because swearing is the thing of Allah and you are doing the same thing because Allah is Satan. Anyhow, continue.
Continue, okay. Of course I continue. Of course, because I have the right. You say now
you have the right. By the way, you don't have any right. You do not have any right according to Islam.
Oh, and ما ملكت أيمانهم. Now you running quickly. Habibi, there is a big difference between or and. Okay?
Hey, I don't fucking care what the difference is between or and and. I just said or. Now correct Malk al-Yamin and azwaj.
You make me crazy.
Let me laugh. I can laugh better, Sahil bhai. Sahil bhai, do you think I can laugh better?
There is a big evidence. There is a big.
Samar, why did? So Samar, the question is very simple. How you can say, "Auma malakat aymanuhum," the right hand possess, is your wife? How you can say that? Prove that.
Okay. In the dictionary, the Arabic dictionary, any dictionary you will find Milk al-Yamin. Now I have the dictionary. I can open the camera.
I'll open the dictionary.
Listen to me. Don't interrupt me. هم الأرقاء المملوكين لمن ملكهم عبيدا أو ذكورا أو إناثا والمقصود بقوله أو ما ملكت أيمانكم النساء من الرقيق وهن الإماء إذ يحق لمالكهن أن يطهن ولا شهود ولا مهر فهن ليست أزواجا ولكن أزواجا بدون شهود ولا مهر. Okay, this milk al-yamin can be a boy also. If the woman cannot marry, or she can go to a poor man or boy and they marry together without mahr, but this is true marriage. Okay, stop deceiving people.
Okay, so now here it is. Sole owner of these properties or are you co-owner? Malk al Iman are combined of two words. Malk, Iman. Malk is called honor. Allah is Malak as-samawati wal ard. Allah is the honor. So when we talk about Malak, it is always about ownership. So you own your wife, is that what you are saying?
What you are trying to say?
Did you not hear what I just said?
No, you tell me what you want to say.
Did you not just hear what I just said? Where you did you
You
put
say
some
milk. Listen, you say milk means honor.
yes.
Honor, you means like a slave.
No, honor. Like a phone, you own a phone. That is ownership. You own a motorbike. That's your ownership. You
Okay,
break it, you throw it. It's yours.
Property.
okay, okay. Milk is different from milk al-yamin also. Why you cut the
Oh,
word? You will
please
not
tell
stop
me.
this
It's right in
habit.
front of you. It's in
You
Almani.
will
Can you
not
see what
stop
it
this
says?
habit. You cut
Can
the
you
word.
say? Can you see what Almani is saying?
It gives the
Can you just
meaning.
read what Almani is
Meaning,
saying?
meaning, meaning, meaning.
Can you just read what Almani is saying? It's right in
بالنسبة
front of you.
what
This is
what you want to
Almani.
read? I read Arabic or English. You bring me Tunisia. What is this? You bring Tunisia kingdom. What is
Tunisia, Tunisia is Almani. You stupid. Can you read? It is Almani.
يا حبيبي even ملكت I even it is written wrong. How
Okay, it is written
what
wrong.
is this? Read
Okay,
ملكت أيمنهم. What is
right.
أيمنهم? What is أيمنهم هذا? What is this?
Sahil, you know what it is. Let me show you in a
والله
different
العظيم
manner.
زي اسمه
This
Wallah,
is from the
check the
Quran.
F up. Wallahi lazim.
This is from the
Bastard.
Quran.
I took it from the Quran as is. So I did not even type it. Let me show you what I did. I did not even type this. I just did this. I took this from right here. Then I did Control C, and I went to Al Maani and I pasted it because I pasted it in the lexicon, and then I clicked Al Maani, and this is what it showed. There you go. But now let me just do. See, this is exactly what it did. It removed the Dhamma, Kasra, and Fatha, right? Anyhow, let's take this one. Not this one. This one. No, let's just copy paste directly here. Let's see if it takes the. Okay, now let's enter, and it removes the Dhamma, Kasra, and everything, so that it will give us everything regarding that. Same thing. Same thing. Co-owner, ownership, kingdom of the zoo, and all that. So now you are an idiot, and we all know that now. I don't think I need to speak with you anymore. You go and deceive somebody. You cannot deceive us. Number one. Number two, you wanna be a Muslim, be a Muslim. But Allah is either stupid or idiot to distinguish between Azwaj and Malkal Yameen. If they were both wives, then they cannot be that. And secondly, you can have your wife, which is Malkal Yameen, and then you can sell her as well. So you can sell your wives. This is very beautiful thing in Islam, that you can actually sell your wives.
blah blah blah.
والله
So
والله
very
he's
soon
giving
Allah
people
will,
wrong
you
wrong
will be you will become Malkal Yameen of somebody, and you will be sold to somebody very soon. You
I
agree
have
with me on
Uh,
that, right?
because he kicked me out. I
Samar,
don't know. Yes,
Samar, do you do you believe in hadith?
there is so many mistakes in hadith. I confess
Yeah.
this
What about
because there
the
is
hadith?
da'if, there is
What
more
about
than
the
da'if.
hadiths which are mentioned in Bukhari?
No, I don't. So many things in hadith, even the sahih is not true.
That's right.
So,
Yes,
Yeah, I
she is
do
confess
you
this.
she is the
believe in
categorizer of the
hadith?
hadith. She is the categorizer of hadith, Sahil.
Uh,
She
No,
herself
I'm
is the
not
categorizer of
categorized.
hadith.
Why
okay,
you
tell
took
me
out
one
hadith?
thing.
I'm speaking
Is this
about Quran
hadith
now.
authentic?
Yeah, you are not
Samar,
able to bring mistaken Quran. Then now you go to
Samir,
hadith.
Samar,
I have already
we are
shown it.
just trying to
Shown
show
what?
you
You show
how wrong
Jude
you
to
are.
people.
When you talk about sex with slaves in Quran, we want to show you
Give me
how
the ayah
how
which
wrong
prove
you
this.
are. Just
Give me the ayah.
tell me one thing. The hadith which is in front of you, can you read this?
I will not go to hadith. Give me evidence from
She will
Quran.
not.
I
I have
So
already
you
shown
don't
it from the
believe in,
Quran.
I told
you
you
don't believe
yesterday
in
to give
Quran.
me evidence from
You don't
Quran,
believe
and
in
I will
hadith.
not be Muslim anymore.
Samad, you
And
don't
till
believe in
now, you
hadith.
cannot bring evidence from Quran.
Sadi,
Okay,
Sadi
okay, okay.
aapne-
Hold on, Sahil. Hold on, Sahil. Okay, if you want evidence from Quran, show me the evidence from Quran that Malkal Yameen are the wives which does not have a meher. Show
What
me.
is
Ay, ay.
you are going to the dictionary?
Show me from the Quran that Malkal
Okay,
Yameen's are wife whom mahar has not been
because
given. Show me.
milk al-yamin in Arabic language
Show
means wife.
me from the
Wife.
Quran that Malkal Yameen's are wives whom mahar has not been given.
Why it's already, it has the meaning. The word is meaningful. Milk
Show
al-yamin
me
is
from the
the wife without
Quran.
mahar. Ya habibi. We know milk al-yamin
So this is
with
also
this
a
meaning.
paradox, guys. This is also a paradox
What
that
is
these
paradox?
chickens are going to come in and defend, and they would want to us to give them the Quran only, yet they cannot prove from the Quran their own statements. That is the
Yeah, because
paradox of these Quran only stupid idiots. And people then say, oh, please be nice with them. Ah, please be nice with the deceiver. Allah is khairul makirin, and she is one of the makar in the Islamic ummah, and Allah is the khairul makirin. Allah is a makar, right?
you have like 100 years to
Allah is
understand.
makar, right?
No, nobody can be makkar with Allah.
Allah
This is
said
the
that in the
meaning.
Quran He is khairul makirin. Wa makar Allahi wallahu khairul makirin.
Yani if you are trying to be clever, he will be more clever
Clever?
than you.
Makar means
Yeah.
clever. Okay, what does yukhadi'un Allah?
يخادعون الله يعني they are deceiving Allah.
They are deceiving Allah. Perfect. So Allah can be deceived.
No, in the complete the ayah, Habibi, he say nobody can, but nobody can deceive.
What does the complete ayah says?
يخادعون الله. Then complete the ayah. Complete the ayah.
Complete the ayah. Well,
Of course.
yukhadi'un Allah. Complete the ayah.
Yalla, you complete. You are clever. Complete. Walla,
No,
you
no.
just cut.
وما يخدعون يخادعون الله والذين آمنوا وما يخدعون. They deceived Allah, but Allah deceived them.
Put the ayah.
So Allah is a deceiver. Thank you.
Put the ayah on the screen.
Put the ayah. So you agreed yukhadi'un means deceiver, right? You already agreed. So now let me give you the full verse. There you go. You don't even know what Quran is
They are
saying.
trying to deceive Allah,
But trying to. Where does it say trying to? There you go. يخادعون الله والذين آمنوا وما يخدعون.
Perfect.
But Allah deceived them.
يلا يخادعون الله والذين آمنوا وما يخدعون إلا أنفسهم وما يشعرون, which means they are deceiving Allah and the believers.
Perfect. But they are deceiving Allah. Thank you.
Themselves.
They are deceiving Allah. Thank you.
Habibi, the text means they are trying to deceive Allah.
So Allah is saying, this is another paradox. Allah is saying they are deceiving Allah, but you are saying they are trying to deceive Allah.
Deceiving Allah, this is only one word. Complete the sentence. Complete the sentence.
I have already completed the sentence.
No, if you complete it, will give you another meaning, Habibi.
Okay. Complete the sentence.
But in fact,
complete the sentence. Complete the sentence.
Deceiving themselves. Okay, the text means they are deceiving Allah, but in fact, they are deceiving themselves only. Then what is the problem?
Okay. Now check this out. It says, Innal munafiqina yukhadi'un Allah. Indeed, the deceiver, the hypocrites are deceiving Allah. Wa huwa khadi'uhum. But indeed, Allah is deceiving them. Now, what should I do with them? So Allah is a deceiver.
If some munafiq are coming to deceive me, what is your problem if I deceive him? He's coming to deceive me.
So Allah is a deceiver, yes or no?
Allah is deceiver. That is proven now.
So Allah is a deceiver, right? You agree?
Because you agreed yukhadi'un is deceiving.
If munafiq, you know what is munafiq? The meaning of munafiq?
Yeah, munafiq is hypocrite like you. So if munafiq are deceiving Allah, then Allah is deceiving them. So it is right. Allah is a deceiver. So Allah is a deceiver, yes or no?
Maybe they give him too much money, wallah.
Allah is a deceiver, yes or no?
And no, Allah, is clever than
The
anyone.
verse of the Quran is wrong, right?
No, Habibi, they are
Okay.
trying to deceive Allah,
You
but nobody can deceive Allah. He can deceive anybody, but not the
Thank you. So he can deceive anybody. Perfect. So in this verse it says, Inna indeed al munafiqeen, the hypocrites, yukhadi'un Allah, are deceiving Allah. Wa huwa, and he khadi'uhum, he is the one who deceives them.
Habibi,
Allah is
khadi'uhum
a
here means
deceiver.
they understand them. They
Acha,
understand them, and
Sahil,
he cannot
khada'un
deceive
is
them.
deceiver when the humans deceive Allah. But same word is not deceiver when Allah is doing the same.
He is
So
scared from
same
Muslim
word
Yamin
changes
now.
the meaning when Allah is doing that. This is the third word that our sisters, not sisters, Summer here is trying to change the meaning when Allah is doing the same thing. Munafiq is deceiving Allah, but Allah is not deceiving them. Allah is doing something else with the same word. Because in Arabic, everything is different when it comes to Allah.
You don't speak, okay? Yalla, brother, say.
Yalla, 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 Habibi, yalla, Muhammad.
Yalla, say what you want to say.
So I want to say that
you want to say Allah is deceiver.
It is in the Quran.
No, the text doesn't mean this.
Okay, let's read Sahih International Translation. And it says, indeed the hypocrites deceive Allah, but he is deceiving them. Sahih International is stupid, idiot, bastard. Allah is bastard. Sahih International.
Yeah, what did he say? See,
Sahih International.
Listen, I give you the meaning of text.
You give me. You give me. Get lost. Get lost. Don't come back. Get lost. Stupid idiot. Get lost. Don't come back.
कुरान की भी नहीं मानना है इन लोगों को.
कुरान भी गलत है, कुरान के ट्रांसलेटर्स भी गलत है. मैं अरबी बोलती हूं, मैं बताऊंगी. अलमानी भी गलत है. कुरान में सेम वर्ड लिखा हुआ है दोनों के लिए. कुरान गलत नहीं है. हाँ, कुरान में जब ये लफ्ज अल्लाह के लिए यूज हुआ है तो ये डिसीविंग नहीं है. ये यार क्या स्टूपिडिटी है यार. साहिल बंद दिमाग को नहीं खोल सकते यार. मैं म्यूट हो रहा हूं.
बिल्कुल सही बात है. एक तो वो स्लेव के ऊपर जबरदस्ती का उसको वाइफ बनाने के चक्कर में कहां से लेके आ रहे भाई. स्लेव कैसा वाइफ हो गया. वहां ओनर की बात हो रही है. वाइफ आपकी ओनर होती है क्या? राइट हैंड पोजेस. वहां ओनरशिप की बात हो रही है, पोजेशन की बात हो रही है. वहां पे आप उसको जो है वो वाइफ के साथ मिला रहे हो. तो जब वाइफ बन गई वो आपकी तो खत्म हो गया. फिर वो अजवाज में आ गई. वो अब वो पहले कुछ भी थी, स्लेव थी, प्रोस्टिट्यूट थी, कुछ भी थी, वो नौकरानी थी, कुछ भी थी. जब आपने शादी कर लिया तो अब वो आपकी वाइफ बन गई है. कितना मतलब तुम लोग धोखेधड़ी से काम लोगे.
साहिल पता है क्या यार, ये जो इंडियन मुसलमान है ना यार, ये अगर ऐसी हरकतें करे ना तो समझ भी लगती है. इसी वजह से मैंने आयत दिखाने से पहले इससे पूछा. मैंने कहा युखादिऊन किसे कहते हैं. शी सेड डिसीवर. I said it Quran says yukhadiun Allah, so they are deceiving Allah. Show me the verse, show me the complete verse. सर ये जब फंस गई तो कहती है नहीं ये इस अल्लाह के लिए डिसीव नहीं है यार. साहिल यार सीरियसली इट इज इम्पॉसिबल कि आप एक बंद दिमाग को खोल सको. इम्पॉसिबल.
और जानबूझ के बंद अपना दिमाग कर रही है.
हाँ, जो खुद बंद करते हैं उसे नहीं खोल सकते साहिल साहब. ये एक अरबिक कोई रॉकेट साइंस जुबान नहीं है. इट इज ए सिंपल लैंग्वेज. इट हैज सिंपल वर्ड, सिंपल मीनिंग.
हदीसों से भी इसने अपना जान छुड़ा लिया क्योंकि मालूम था कि वहां पे से पकड़े जाएगी और यहाँ का जो है वो ओपन हो जाएगा.
और फिर उसके बाद
सही बुखारी को भी बोल रही है कि नहीं मानूंगी मैं.
हाँ, तो मैंने इसी वजह से पकड़ा था ना उसे. मैंने कहा फिर कुरान से साबित करते जो तू बात कर रही है. नहीं, मैं नहीं साबित करूंगी, जो मैं कह रही हूं उसे मानो. सो बेसिकली वी हैव टू एग्री टू व्हाट शी इज सेइंग. डिक्शनरी भी नहीं हमने देखनी, जो ये कह रही है वो मानना है हमने. साहिल साहब ये क्या है, ये क्या है, ये क्या है.